Hello everyone, so today's video is my Sephora Vib appreciation sale haul. I'm so happy that you guys enjoyed my Sephora recommendations and my wishlist items. I definitely had to repurchase some items, and then there were some products that I was like dying to try out. But oh my goodness, you guys. So I have this haul, and then I'm gonna have another one here in a couple days probably, because you're gonna laugh at me, but okay, you could only use the coupon code once. Like, you can only use it once. So I realized that after I did this order, I was like, oh, I still like have to get like more of my foundations and stuff. And because I totally forgot to put those in my cart because I have to like restock. So I texted my mom and I was like, can I use your account to make another order? Because I forgot items. So I'm gonna be having another haul in a couple days of products that I totally forgot to grab and put in my cart. You guys, I'm tired right now. Pregnancy brain at its finest. But yeah, funny stuff. I can't believe you can only use the code once. You can use it multiple times in store, but it's so far away from me that it's just easier right now for online. I like online shopping. But anyways, without further ado, if you guys are brand new to my channel, make sure to click that subscribe button to be a part of the Miller Squad. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you love hauls. And let's go ahead and get into what I bought. Yeah. All right, so the first thing that I bought right here is the J1 Red Jelly Pack. It's a multitasking makeup gripping primer and anti-aging mask. So the anti-aging is what really got me with this. It's formulated with antioxidant-rich astaxanthin and vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, I know what that is. The other word, I don't know what that is. But it's for all skin types. I really wanted to try this one out. I have the white one and I like that one, but when I saw that this one was like anti-aging and stuff, I figured that this would be better for dry skin. And I'm just really excited about it. Like, the packaging looks really cool. So I cannot wait to try it out. Also has a pump on it. So it's just like the packaging of the white one, but it's red. I want to see how this one feels on the skin, because I remember the other one was kind of like thicker and tackier. Oh yeah, this one is like a little thick too. It definitely is very tacky, so it'll be a really good primer for to go underneath your foundation, because your foundation will stick to it. That will be really nice to try out and see how the foundation, everything applies on top of it. Sticking with the whole primer thing, I also picked up the Becca Skin Love Glow Elixir. So it's a fountain of glow in a bottle, a super potent glow boosting serum, enriched with Becca's Glow Nectar Brightening Hydra Complex, replenishes and restores skin with essential nutrients for a healthier looking glow complexion. It has algae, vitamin E. So this is supposed to be very nourishing, kind of give you that really radiant look, and also act as a primer. So I thought this was really, really cool. So I really wanted to try this out, especially because I have the dry skin. So I will take anything glowy, anything dewy right now. I swear, if you guys have been watching me for years, you're probably like, whoa, Madison did like a complete 180 here, because I was oily before and then I became combination and then now I'm dry. You guys, you've grown up with me. You've aged with me. But this looks really beautiful. I actually want to try this on my hand and see. Ooh, it's got like a little iridescence to it. It's really pretty. Oh, it feels good. Oh, it's a nice serum. It smells flowery and it has peony extract in it. So that's what I'm smelling, but it smells really good. This feels really good on the skin. It definitely feels hydrating. I feel like there is a little bit of tackiness to it, which is good if it's a primer, because then it's gonna help like have your foundation adhere to it. So I'm really excited to try that out as well. So I'll let you guys know how my skin reacts to that too. Because I know a lot of you guys watch me for sensitive skin, and I'm one to break out very easily from products or just get redness from products. So I will let you guys know on that one. Sticking with the face products here, we have the Isle of Paradise. This is vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, and organic. It is the self-tanning drops, and this is for face and body, and it's in the shade medium. So this is supposed to give you more of a glow. I was really intrigued by this because I don't self-tan my face. You guys see that in my first impressions video. Like, my neck and my body and stuff will be tan, but my face will be like stark white. I don't self-tan my face because my face breaks out so bad with self-tanner. And I feel like since this one is for the face and also that it has good ingredients in it, that I think it's going to be fine for my skin. We're gonna see how my skin reacts with it, and I wanna see also what type of glow that I get from it. I am really excited to test out this product. Hopefully it works for me. And now on to another face product here. We have a new foundation, and let's pray that this foundation shade matches me. So this is the Beauty Blender Bounce Foundation. It's a Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation. I thought the packaging was really cool on this one. The shade that I got is Blend 3.25 because I usually match for my self-tanning shade because I like to self-tan. I don't know why. I just feel like, I don't know, like, having a little bit of a tan just makes me feel a lot better right now. So this is the packaging right here, and you actually dispense it. It comes out here, and then this becomes your little tray. So as you guys know, I always have this little aluminum tray that I always put my foundation on, just because I don't like putting it on the back of my hands. And I love the fact that they have this little thing right here, and then it fits your beauty blender perfectly. So I think that's really cool. It looks like it also has a lock on it too. Let's see. Yeah, remove before use. Read the directions, Madison. So here we go. Oop, there it goes. Oop, there it is. Okay, so there is a shade right there, but that's how it comes out. That is so cool. Oh, I think this is gonna work. Oh yeah, this is going to work. That is definitely going to work for me. Sweet, yay. So we got a good shade to match me for when I am self-tan like right now. It might be a little light for me right now, but if I do one more wash, it should be perfect. So definitely excited to try that out and see how it performs on the skin. All right, so I had to repurchase my, let me put it the right side up, the Benefit Precisely My Brow in Shade 2. This is my favorite brow pencil. This thing is amazing, you guys. I had so many because Benefit always like sends us a ton, but they haven't sent them to us in a long time. And I had like a whole like drawer filled with them, and I went through all of those. I love this thing, and I have tried other brow products. Like I've tried the Hourglass one, I've tried the NARS one, I've tried a lot of other ones, and I like them, like they're fine, but this one still is like my holy grail, and I'm just like, I miss having this in my collection, so I had to repurchase it. I'm so excited to have you back. It is amazing, and again, I am shade 2. All right, so next up, I purchased the Fenty Beauty, and this is their Fly Liner. It's in Cause I'm Black. That's the shade. Ooh, the packaging is really pretty. I'm always down to try a new liquid eyeliner. I have to say my holy grail probably always will be the Kat Von D one, just because it is so good and so easy to use. But when I saw this one, I was really intrigued by it. And I wanted to see how black it was and how well the felt tip, you know, is on it too. Oh my God, this thing is black and the tip is nice. So there it is right there on my hand. Oh, that black tip is nice. Wow. Okay, what I love, okay, it's like a, not like a felt tip, it's like a brush tip. So there's eyeliners out there that are felt tip and they're like really stiff. Those ones I don't like because they're just really hard if you have wrinkly eyelids. Like, I don't know why, but they're so hard to use for me. But if you have like a brush tip to it and it gives as you're doing it, it just glides right on and it works so well and makes it so easy for me to do my liner. And that's exactly what this has. It has a tip just like the Kat Von D one, and it's nice and long and has a great point to it. So I am very excited to try this one out. And I believe they retail for about like the same price. I think Kat Von D might be like $21 or $22. And this was 20, but I think they're around the same range, but this is really black too. So that is super nice. I wonder if it's gonna have that shiny glossy finish, because some people also like a matte finish with their liner and not the shiny gloss. So we'll see how that dries down. I'm gonna leave that on my hand, but right now it looks like it's drying down as a shiny finish. So if you don't like the shiny finishes, then I don't know if you'll like this one. Yeah. Boo, we're on our last product already. I swear, this haul went by way too fast. I'm so glad I made another order. So that one is a lot bigger, so stay tuned for that one, you guys. But the last product that I picked up is the Kiehl's Butter Mask for lips. This is the overnight lip treatment. I put this on my wish list as well. I really wanted to try this out. I have dry lips and I'm just always down for a new lip balm. Like, I don't know what it is about lip balms and lotions that I'm just obsessed about. Like, I have an obsession. I have an addiction, you guys. And I just always am down to try new ones. So I'm really excited to try this out. I actually want to... Ooh, it's definitely thicker. Ooh, it feels good. Well, I want to put you on my lips right now, but I have a lip product on. It feels good, and actually it even smells good too. It's not like very potent in a smell, but it definitely has like a buttery smell to it, which kind of reminds me of like popcorn or something. But God, what? Everything reminds me of food right now because I'm just hungry 24/7. I am really excited to see how well this nourishes and moisturizes my lips and see if this is worth it or not. All right, so yeah, looking at the eyeliner right now, it definitely has a shiny finish to it. So if you don't like the eyeliners that leave a shiny finish, then you're not gonna like this liner. So that's just a little heads up there, because I know there's a lot of people out there that do not like liners with a shiny black finish. They like the matte one. All right, so those were all the products in my first order from the Sephora Vib sale, and I cannot wait to get my second order and do that haul for you guys. So stay tuned for that one and make sure to subscribe if you're new. But I'm definitely going to be testing out these products maybe in future videos or just on my own, and then giving you guys a little quick update in like a monthly dopes and nopes. So definitely stay tuned for those. But I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please give this video a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.